So here we are back again with another case for the Pixel 8 Pro, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the leather case from the guys at Bellroy. And do you know what? Been looking forward to getting my hands on this case. I haven't really seen many decent leather cases for the Pixel 8 Pro, so I am really chuffed to be getting this. And look at this, first off the bat, first thing I noticed, made for Google Pixel. So well done Bellroy. So this is a super slim leather case. It's eco-tanned leather and made with recycled plastics. Lovely. And I really like the packaging. Oh, look at that. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be straight up. This would be perfect if I had a bay blue Pixel 8 Pro. But unfortunately I don't. I got the Obsidian Pixel 8 Pro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a wee bit disappointed. Oh well. So, first off the bat, there we are. We have this lovely blue leather. Do they have an official name for this one, or is it just blue? Doesn't actually say. So we'll just say it's blue. Right? So it's blue. Lovely blue leather and metal buttons. Very, very nice. Volume up and down. And on the inside then we have this lovely microfiber lining. So yeah, this color would look awesome with the bay blue Pixel 8 Pro. But unfortunately I'm gonna stick an Obsidian in it because it's all I have. So let's weigh this case. So 28 grams. Do you know what? 28 grams for a leather case is not heavy whatsoever. I've like armored fiber cases, which are really, really lightweight, come in around that sort of weight. So that's actually really, really good. And I just love the feel of this. This is really, really nice. So just getting a closer look, we've got Bellroy's branding stamped into the bottom here. Very nice, very subtle. And you can see the texture of that leather. Very, very nice. The guard around the camera bar is plastic. And then, like I said before, the buttons are metal. On the inside then we have that lovely microfiber lining, and the leather is lined all the way around the inside as well. Very, very nice. Cutouts in the top for the microphone, and then there's your USB-C and your speaker cutouts as well. Very, very nice. So let's just blaspheme and put the Obsidian into this blue case. Don't you judge me. Don't you judge me. And there we have it. There is the blue case. So buttons, really clicky and responsive. And yeah, it feels really, really nice. Now it is really, really smooth, but as I'm sure you know with a leather case, it takes maybe a week or two for it to adapt. You know, once you use it and it absorbs like the oils and things from your hand, it'll get a bit grippier. I'm also certain that the more this is used, it'll patina a bit more and it'll get a little bit darker, which I think will be a very, very nice color. So yeah, very much so. Very, very nice. And again, you wouldn't even know this is an Obsidian foam. So there you go. I'll just tell people it's a bay blue. Say nothing. So we'll just do a fitment test then. So my fitment test, so I just sort of twist the phone here at the corners to see if there's any movement. You know, a poor fitting case, the phone will be able to move and wriggle out pretty much. But as you can see, it is not moving. So the fit is really, really good. That's what you want. And screen lip. So with the Pixel 8 Pro having a flat display this year, woohoo! There's a really good lip up over that. And now leather cases typically have a really thin lip over them anyway, but as you can see here, you do have a half decent lip. So if you do set that down flat, it'll keep that display up off the surface and you've no issues there. So the camera guard then, you do get a little bit of a lip up over that camera guard, but one thing I will say, you can see it here, the camera bar is kind of exposed, and I would kind of like that part of the bump to come up over that and maybe protect it a bit more. Just me, you know, but the guard, you know, the camera guard does come up, so if you do set it flat, it is going to keep that up off the surface, but I would be conscious of, see, just maybe dropping your phone, and if it lands at an angle, you're really exposed there, and I'm just, yeah, I would have liked to maybe seen a bit more molded up around this bit of the corner, you know, but that's just me. It's not a deal breaker. It's still really, really nice. So feel of the case, like it feels like a real good leather case. It doesn't feel cheap, and while it is slippy just out of the box, it will get more grippy the more you use it. So the more it absorbs those oils and things from your hands, it will get more grippy and you'll be able to have a good firm hold on it. But it's a very, very nice case. Sadly, no MagSafe. Fingers crossed with the introduction of Qi 2, we're going to get more case brands going standard with the MagSafe ring, because, you know, being a dual wielder myself, I always have an iPhone and I always have an Android phone on my. It's just getting tiresome now. Like, if I want to go and get in the car, I know that I can take either one of my phones and I can put it on a MagSafe mount. Some case manufacturers are doing it, some aren't, but when the Qi 2 standard kicks in, it'll be standard on phones across the board, which means all the Android phones will get it. So fingers crossed, this will be maybe the last time we'll see this without MagSafe. Fingers crossed. Otherwise, this would be a top tier case. I really do like that, and it's very nice for all you Bay Blue users out there. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you a leather case fan? I have noticed there is a serious lack of leather cases out there for the Pixel 8 Pro. So yeah, top notch Bellroy for doing this, because there's not a lot out there, not a lot of options, and working with Google, as it says, you know, made for Google, you would nearly pass this off as being a Google case. If it wasn't for the Bellroy branding, you could stick a G on there and you wouldn't know any different. You would think it's just Google case. So yeah, that's pretty good. I do like that. Top notch. I would recommend, definitely. And as always, if you are interested in picking up this case, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using one of my links, thanks for your support. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Stay tuned. I will have more Pixel 8 content coming, more cases. I will have camera comparisons and a full review coming later down the line, so stay tuned for that. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.